Hello world. I'm your virtual guide today. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating realm of artificial intelligence. Today's topic is prompt engineering, an important technique in training AI models. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. When we talk about AI, we often picture complex models like GPT-3, BERT, or even the latest GPT-4, processing huge amounts of data. However, these models aren't innately smart. They need to be fed the right prompts or instructions to perform specific tasks. This process is what we call prompt engineering. Just like an engineer uses blueprints to build structures, in prompt engineering, we carefully design prompts to guide AI towards the right answers. This is crucial in fine-tuning AI models to suit specific applications. Prompts can be as simple as translate this English sentence to French, or as complex as write a brief summary of the following text. The key is to provide clear, concise instructions that the AI can follow. Now, the tricky part is, every AI model behaves differently to prompts. The effectiveness of a prompt depends on several factors like the model's training data, architecture, and even the task at hand. Thus, prompt engineering involves a lot of trial and error and creativity. The goal of prompt engineering is to maximize the utility of AI models while minimizing their errors. To achieve this, engineers experiment with different types of prompts, such as few-shot prompts, zero-shot prompts, or even using a series of prompts to maintain a contextual conversation with the AI. Prompt engineering is not just about asking the right questions, it's also about giving the AI a nudge in the right direction. For instance, if you're using AI for content creation, the prompt could be designed to encourage more creative and original responses. The future of prompt engineering is promising. With the rise of more advanced AI models, better techniques will emerge to harness their full potential. This will open up new possibilities and applications in a wide array of fields, from healthcare to entertainment. That's all for today's episode on prompt engineering. I hope it was enlightening. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious, and keep exploring the world of AI. Goodbye for now.